Hello, this is Timothy Perfect from Canoe Software, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you some weird behavior for the client package installer for Zoom. You can see one of our users for MDS reported it. They sent me a link to the download site for Zoom, so you go to zoom.us/download and you can download the client. I've actually already downloaded it here, so I'll just go ahead and start installing it. And you can see the first thing it does, it says this package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. And this is common to run external script just to look at your system and see if it meets the requirements to install this package. It's not, the purpose of it is not to actually install or do any work. It's really just to see if it's able to install. So I click on install or continue. Before I do that, let me show you that in my applications folder, I don't have the Zoom application installed. So now if I hit continue, you'll notice that it doesn't do anything, it quits, and then the Zoom application opens up. And you can see in applications folder, it installed zoom.us. So it doesn't even use the macOS application, it actually installs using this pre-install script, which is concerning. So let me stop that, and I'll delete the zoom.us. And the reason we discovered this is that the command line utility installer has a package info command that allows you to look at what's inside of a package. So for example, this one is, I'm running it against the Microsoft Office installer, and I hit return. It tells me all the packages that are installed for that package, because the package can install multiple applications, and in fact multiple other packages if it wants to. So if I run that on that Zoom one just to get info about it, so I'm running it, here it is, installer, package info, and a path to the package, which is just the zoom.package. You would expect it just to return back zoom.package because that was the only one. But look what happens. Because the pre-install, it actually unzips the Zoom application and it installs it in my applications folder. So just by getting information about the package, it actually launches the application itself after installing it into the applications folder. So obviously this is non-standard behavior for how a package is supposed to do. Causes all sorts of difficulty with being able to use this package, but it's also very concerning because it starts running something way before you would expect it to. So I just want to show you that behavior and kind of what we discovered. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and let me know any feedback in the comments.